Andrew, would you like to play a game?
Okay, what kind of game?
Let's play cards. Do you know how to play blackjack?
Yes, that's an easy game. I don't want to play that right now.
Okay, do you remember how to play poker?
I think so, but you're going to have to explain the rules to me again.
Okay, look at this piece of paper. It has all the rules on it.
Okay, yes. I remember now. I think the last time we played this game, you won and I lost.
Yes, that was fun.
Okay, let's play, but this time I don't want to bet money.
Okay, we won't bet. We'll just play for fun.
Angela, come in.
Happy birthday.
Thanks. I can't believe you remembered that.
Well, I have a calendar in my computer. It helps me remember things like that. What W turned Alpha T are you up to?
I'm reading a book my cousin gave me for my birthday.
Let me see. Oh, I have this book at home. I want to give you a present too.
Wow, it's a guitar. I already have one, but I like this one better. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you know how to play the guitar?
Yeah, I'll know how to play. My brother taught me when I was young.
Will you play it now? I want to listen to some music.
Okay, do you know this one?
Yeah, I've heard that one. I could sing that song when I was in middle school.
It's an old one. It makes me feel old. When I was in college they used to play it on the radio all the time. What are you listening to?
I'm listening to the radio.
I know that. Who are they playing?
Guess.
I think that's the Beatles, right?
That's right. How did you know that?
In my country everyone knows who they are. They're famous.
Really?
Of course. My parents saw them at a concert a long time ago.
Did you know that they were from England?
Yes, of course.
What kind of music do you usually listen to?
I listen to everything, but my favorite is pop.
I see. Who's your favorite singer?
Celine Dion.
I like her too. She's got great voice.
Hello miss, do you need a taxi?
Yes.
Do you have any luggage?
Just these 2 suitcases.
Okay, I'll put them in the back for you. Where are you doing?
The Comfort Inn.
I think there are 2 in Boston. Which one are you doing to?
The one downtown.
Is this your first time in Boston?
No. I've been here many times. I come here for work all the time. Do you know how long it'll take?
It shouldn't take long. Probably about 15 minutes.
Wow, it looks like the traffic is really bad.
Yeah, there might be an accident up ahead.
Okay, then stop at the taxi intersection. I'm gonna get out there and take the subway.